I bet you.
What's up, YouTube? This is the Internet Income Ninja bringing value to you through the internet. Today, we're going to be reviewing a lead online, and this lead will help you find work from home, regardless of what country you live in, because this is a truly international lead. You will be a product lead at localized.world. This was posted 8 hours ago, and the current time, as you can see on the screen, is 6:46 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Okay, now to learn more about Localized Lead, you simply hit this link, that link icon. All right, let me just show it to you real quickly. If you press that, their website will open up. And when their website opens up, you can learn more about their company. You can see what they're like. You can get a feel of the type of business that they run. All right. So easy peasy. And that's how that works. Now, back to the lead. Localized is a career tech company that connects students and recent graduates with industry experts to guide them and employers to hire them. We place a strong focus on emerging markets and on the fields of the future. We are looking for someone who has extensive experience building products that users love and that can help take our platform to the next level. We are high performers who are both collaborative and know how to work with minimal direction. Our team is distributed globally. So DC, Ramallah, Istanbul, New York City, San Francisco, London, Prague, Cairo, Dubai. We are lean but growing and need someone to see the big picture while sweating the small stuff. You are a fit if you are creative, strategic, empathetic, detail-oriented, KPI and deadline driven. All right. Major responsibilities. Set the product strategy and work with cross-functional leadership to implement it. Become fluent in the needs of our users and customers and continually translate their needs into a product vision. Take ownership of the platform and set the direction for new features. Manage the entire product lifecycle from photocopying through mass deployment. Analyze relevant KPIs, key performing indicators, and market segments and collaborate with our team to prioritize our product roadmap accordingly. Drive changes to our product and processes to create significant improvement. Requirements: passion for building amazing products, high degree of user empathy and strong listening skills, detail oriented. How you do anything is how you do everything. 4+ years of web and mobile application related product management. So that would be experience with recruiting platforms is a huge plus. Okay? Proven track record of managing all aspects of a successful product throughout its life cycle. Proven ability to develop product strategies and effectively communicate recommendations to management. Solid technical background with understanding and or hands-on experience in software development and web technologies. Strong problem-solving skills and willingness to roll up one's sleeves. They did say they had a lean staff and they wanted someone to work with that lean workforce until it becomes big. So they want someone to have big picture thinking. So when they say strong problem-solving skills and willingness to roll up one's sleeves, you got that. You are a shoo-in. Skilled at working effectively with a lean yet growing team. They said it again. Excellent written and verbal communication skills. Able to work in a resource limited environment. Guys, they're starting up. They want you to stay with them for the long haul. If you're not wanting to stay with them for the long haul, don't. Alright, let me not say don't bother applying. But that's what they want. It would suck if someone got hired and then left within a few weeks or a few months. It is what it is though. Excellent written and verbal communication skills, able to work in a resource limited environment, bilingual is a very big plus, especially if you're Arabic, Turkish, or Spanish. Familiar with Jira, comfortable with agile software development processes. And as usual, if you've seen my videos, I always stress press this button to apply. All right, let me show you what that looks like. You press that button, okay? They'll generally review what we just read through, okay? And then they will have you all right. So what they'll have you do in this case is when you press the button to apply, they will take you straight to the email portion where you can see the subject is already filled in. I am interested in working at Localized. So you will upload your resume, cover letter, and in the body, you can state your intentions. You're applying for this role and a bit of what you bring to the table and point them to your resume and cover letter. Speaking of resumes and cover letters, there's software called Canva. It's a website and they are a cloud-based platform where you can go there and use their templates for free. Canva is free. So when you go to the website, you sign up, name, email address. And from then on, you are able to use not even over 100, hundreds of templates for resumes, hundreds of templates for cover letters that you can just literally plug your information in, download, and then you can upload it to your application. So guys, let me know what you think. Go ahead, hit the subscribe button, smash the notification bell, like, comment, and share. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know where you're watching from. Let me know if any of these leads help you. And if you've been hearing the fan blow into the phone, apologies. It's quite a warm evening. But I hope you guys continue to stay safe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.